All right, so got a little DIY project for today. This is my high-tech themed Airbnb suite, but we are going to be going into the bathroom for today's DIY, and that is all about caulking. Today, I'm going to put a new layer of caulking because I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little bit of a gap. It's been slowly coming off, and it's time for a whole new job of caulking. So step one is really to get all of this caulk off. I'm gonna have to use a razor blade, some rubbing alcohol, 100% alcohol, to clean all this stuff off. Once it's clean and prepped, then the fun begins where you can actually apply the new caulking. But let me just kind of give you a show. It's all kind of worn out here. This is going to be a big job in terms of the cleaning all this. So I'm going to have to empty everything out of this bathroom, or at least in this tub area, and get cleaning. So that's going to be a fun job. I guess I'm going to have to listen to some podcasts. I'll keep you updated as I go along and show you step by step on how to do this. Okay, here's a little update. So I've been using these tools to cut through as much as I can. This is just a messy job because you get these little flakes everywhere, and then you have to clean that up of the old silicone. So I'm kind of in this area right now. I'm going to continue cleaning it. I'm also doing the vertical ones that attach. So I've been taking that off. Almost done. And then once that's done, I'm going to have to really clean it. Get it super clean, super dry, and prep for the new caulk. So here's all the stuff that I'm ripping out. I'm going to keep going at it. Listen to some podcasts as I do this kind of manual work to get all this stuff off, as much as I can at least, so that the new caulk will stick nicely. There's a little gap there. See, I can put a big load in there. Caulk this really properly. Nice thick layer. Hopefully it'll stick. So I'm gonna keep going, and I'll update you when I get back. All right, I've done a very diligent job trying to get off all the old caulking. You can see right here, this is a problem area that I'm gonna have to put a lot of caulk in. I took all the old stuff out, and I'm gonna try to do my best job. You can see a little bit inside there. That's okay, as long as it goes on the outside. But you can see that residue here, that's what I need to clean before applying the caulking. Because if you don't clean that, it's going to not stick. So you gotta get that super clean. And the way that you do it is with alcohol. So I got some alcohol here. I got these disposable wipes. And what I'm gonna do is get it wet and just keep cleaning. This is the kind of like final step, but take the time, wipe everything where the caulk's gonna go, because you want it to stick. I'm trying to remember like what I did last time. I'm trying to remember, like, because I did the old caulking. Back in the day, I was using masking tape all the time, putting on each side, trying to get like everything perfect. And I regret that, because what I noticed is that it didn't stick very good when you took the masking tape off. You got to do the old-fashioned way. You got to use your hand, get it wet with some warm water, and then just rub it through after you applied the caulk to make that good seal. But you can see some areas there isn't much of a gap, and then some areas like here, big gap. So you got to be mindful as you're doing that, but you need a very clean surface. And so what I'm going to do right now is get in there, wipe it down, get the remaining stuff off, and then I will clean, dry everything, maybe even get the vacuum, try to get anything else, get this spotless clean before applying the caulk. So next step, cleaning time. Okay, so I've used the alcohol, cleaned everything up as best as I could. I'm pretty confident now that the new caulk is going to stick pretty nicely. I'm just gonna put a very thick layer, especially in areas like down here. I might even start here. just because I know it's going to come out quite easily. Here's the caulk right here, the caulking gun. I've had this caulking gun for a long time. So this is mold resistant. The page, and pretty much ready to go. Cleaned everything up as best I could. Now it's just to apply the caulk. Of course, I'm going to use one finger after to make sure everything is sealed in nicely, and I'll show you the results once I'm done. Wish me luck. Alright folks, the job is done. This is a nice, fresh caulking job around this tub. Got a nice thick layer, evenly spaced where it needs to be thick. It got thick. So I think I did a pretty good job. Like I said, the secret is to basically run a line and then take your wet finger and then rub through and just make a nice kind of even seal. And take the excess. There's a little bit excess on here, but I'm gonna leave that because I really wanted that area to be covered. There was a big gap underneath there, so I had to put some extra in there, and I'm just gonna leave it as is. My main concern is that it is all sealed, which I believe it is now. And this is mold resistant, so I will be able to just wipe it down when I need to clean it. But all in all, like, this tub looks immaculate. Great condition, nothing like a nice fresh line of caulk around a tub to bring it back to life. So even though this took, several hours, a lot of cleaning and cutting and prepping, the caulking actually takes like the least amount of the time, but I'm pretty happy with what I got. So if you want to, this is a perfect DIY project. Just be patient. Give yourself half a day or whatever it's going to take, depending on your job, and you can feel really good about yourself if you get this done. So another handy job. Well done. Won't have to do this for a while. I'm Andy Barrar, Handy Andy, signing out. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave your comments below about your caulking experiences. I'd love to know. Handy Andy signing out.